Hello, I am Chaitanya Gokhale and welcome back to my YouTube channel Chaitanya Gokhale Calligraphy. Thank you once again for your huge response to my handwriting video series. In previous two videos I have shown you the basic techniques and how to write capital letters. So in this video I am going to show you how to write small letters or lowercase letters. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell button and switch on all the notifications to get all the future updates about my coming videos. Thank you. So let's start with the lowercase letters. This is first letter, letter A. There are two types of writing letter A. One is this and the another one is a simpler one. If you find the first one difficult, you can practice the second one first and then you can move on to first one. Now if you see the construction, first this stroke and second a smaller half round, and in this you have to take a half round and a straight line. I will show you the first A once again, like this, and a half round. Make sure you keep the negative spaces properly to look the letter beautiful. Now in letter B, first draw a straight line and a half round, just like the capital B, the half part of capital B. Now letter C, it is like capital C only in a smaller size, a half round. In letter D, first you have to make letter C and a straight line. D is comparatively easy. Now in letter E, first draw letter C and a horizontal line, or maybe you can do it like this also in single stroke. But I will recommend doing it in two strokes to get a better control over your letter. Moving on to next letter, letter F, first stroke and a horizontal bar. Now in letter G, first draft letter C and add a small j. Now make sure that these letters like letter G go below the baseline. This is letter H. I is comparatively easy. In J, the letter goes below your baseline a little bit and a dot on the top. K, just like a capital K, a straight line and two slanted lines. Now you have to maintain the height of all your letters in small letters, otherwise your letters won't look uniform. You have to maintain the height, that is called X height. You have to maintain that height consistently in all your small letters. Now moving on to next letter, letter L is just a straight line. Now in letter M, first a straight line, a half round followed by a straight line, same stroke repeated. Now letter N is half M only, like this. In that, first downstroke and then two mirror strokes. You have to maintain the distance between both the strokes to look your letter beautiful. Let's move on to next letter, letter O. It is like a capital O only in a smaller size, like this. With practice your O should look round. Initially it may look oval. In letter P, a straight line and a half round. Again P will go down, that is called the descender. Same with letter Q, a half round and a straight line. Both those lines will go below your baseline. All these letters are based on letter C. Next letter, letter R, a straight line and a short stroke. Don't extend it too much, otherwise it may look like letter N. So it should end exactly at the perfect point. Now moving on to next letter, letter S. It is like a capital S only in a smaller size. Initially it may go like this. Your letters may look italic or uneven. These won't look good, so you'll have to practice letter S properly. It should be balanced and it should be straight and not italic. Let's move on to next letter, letter T. A straight line curved at the end and a horizontal bar. U is pretty easy. In V you have to do like capital V only, 2 slanted strokes. In W, just join 2 small V's, that gives you letter W. In letter X, a cross. Make sure you divide the negative space properly, as I have mentioned in the capital letters video. Letter Y and letter Z, one horizontal line, one slanted line, and another horizontal line. Now let's recap all the small letters once again, starting from letter A. So while writing small letters, the height of the letter is called X height. So you have to maintain the X height properly. In letters like B, D, H, vertical line goes above your X height, that is called ascender. And in letters like G, J, Y, the vertical line goes below your baseline, that is called descenders. So you have to maintain the proper height and the proportions when you are writing your small letters. As in capital letters, you have to maintain the straight lines straight, parallel to each other. Your letters should look straight and not italic, tilted or uneven, because in small letters the proportion of your alphabet is smaller as compared to a capital letter. So pay a little more attention when you are drafting or practicing lowercase letters. Just like capital letters, you have to practice the small letters also on a regular basis. You can choose quotes, your favorite poems, you can write anything, you can maintain your daily journal. But practice is the only key. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So keep practicing and you will see the difference, the improvement in your own handwriting. I keep posting regularly on Instagram, so if you are not following me, please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is chaitanya.gokhale. Please follow me on Instagram to see future updates and latest posts.